Today I will be presenting the new lithium phosphate storage solution from Upower Electric, the UHB high voltage battery system. The product comes in 9 models with a usable capacity of up to 23 kWh. Lithium iron phosphate battery offers a long lifespan, more than 6,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge. They do not require any regular maintenance and also offer improved safety standards compared with lithium-ion competitors. Additionally, the system's modular and stacked design simplifies the installation process and allows it to upscale the storage capacity if required. The product is enriched by an active module level balance technology. Active module level balance redistributes the battery capacity of different modules to the same level during the charge and discharge cycles to make all the modules in the system at the same SOC. This allows for keeping the battery system's charge and discharge in a very stable and efficient way. Compatibility with numerous mainstream hybrid inverters on the market allows for more choices when choosing inverters. Multiple international certifications including CE, UN 38 and MSDS guarantee the system's reliability and compliance with the main industry standards. Various protection features ensure operational safety including voltage, temperature, current and short circuit control. Upower Electric has been a leading supplier of residential and commercial solar energy storage systems for many years. We successfully export to many regions including Europe, Asia, South America and Africa. Our passion for this field drives us to continually innovate and deliver cutting-edge solutions to our clients.